Okay, everyone, back April the 3rd, 2017. I'm out walking, come upon my first one. Pretty nice long spear, but it's broke. So, laying there in situ. Well, let's pick them up, see what we got. Dang, that thing's had some use and abuse. Alrighty, I'm gonna keep walking. I'll let you know if I find anything else. Okay, everybody, what do we got here? I just took a good spill back there, flipped over upside down off a log, but the warrior survived. Let's see what we got here. You can still see the mud all over me. There we go. Broken tip. All right. Gonna keep walking. Okay, everybody, I'm back. Here's another one in situ. Must be the rainy day of brooks. Pretty color, nice pink. Well, that's why they call it artifact hunting. I guess they all can't be whole. Okay, we'll get back to you. Okay, I wanted to show you this awesome little honey agate I found. Look at the blue sheen on that dude. Wow. Beautiful little translucent gem. Yes, 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 I'll take them like that all day long. Okay, everybody, I'm back, and I wanted to show you the final totals of the evening. Long walk, didn't find anything whole, but still found some cool stuff. This would have been an awesome piece. Utilitarian tool, like a bone saw or something. Nice tooth. Love finding these. I don't know if they're ancient buffalo or what, but I've got a whole blue mason jar full of them. Broken tip. Pink broken tip. Awesome polished petrified wood. Couple power stones. Stick of much guidance that I've been walking with for 16 years now. So there you have it. There's my evening's totals. I've got a long walk back. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next time. Signing off. Your friend, Legendary Creek Hunter. I hope you are living the dream.